Start.
A very charming good morning, the one and all who present here, and a very sophisticated morning to my respected teacher, Mr. Bhuvan sir. Good morning, sir. Firstly, I wanna ask you that how are you all guys?
We are fine. And you?
I'm also fine, and you all are fine. That's very good. And you know your energy is outstanding. Your confidence level gives me energy that you also have to be energetic, isn't it?
Yes.
Please speak loudly.
Yes.
Alright. You know, actually, in this time, I'm feeling very lucky. I'm feeling very happy because finally I got this chance. Because, I had been willing to tell you for a long time something. But I could not come on the stage because I think there was lack of time. So that's why I could not come on the stage. And I could not speak. I could not share my views. What I wanted to tell you. But today I found this diamond chance to stand and to tell you about something. So thank you so much, sir, to give me this golden opportunity to introduce myself and whatever I wanted to tell. So thank you so much, sir, to give me this wonderful chance. Thank you so much. So friends, I think you all know me, but who does not know me? So let me introduce myself. My name is Divya, and I have completed my schooling from Province Memorial High Secondary in Griva, and now I am pursuing my graduation, and this is my second year of college. So I think now I should come on the point. So today I am here to tell you about that what changes I feel in myself after joining this class, and what is the difference between my earlier thoughts and now thoughts. So are you ready to listen?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good thing. I'm feeling very happy that you want to listen me. So you know that earlier I was thinking that that whether we think positive or negative doesn't matter, because whatever God may have written for us, so that will be happen. But it doesn't like that, because what we think, so as we will become. जो हम सोचेंगे वही हम बन जाएंगे. So I think thinking is the very important thing. What we will manifest, so that will be happen.
That will happen.
So that will happen. And you know, earlier I was thinking that that English grammar has a limited syllabus, so we can learn English grammar very easily. But it does not. But it does not happen like this, because it is vast syllabus. So we can't say that we can learn English in a short time, because English takes time. So we should give the time to English. And you know, earlier I was not able to create a sentences. Earlier I was not able to recognize the sentences like subject, what is helping verb, object, extension. But now I am able to recognize. I want to tell you that earlier I was thinking that if I will learn 5,000 spelling or 10,000 spelling, or if I will learn English grammar, so I will be able to speak English. But it's not. But it cannot be. It can't be possible, because we should come on the class. We will have to join the class to learn English language. So you know that I was the girl who was not able to make a single sentence, who was not able to arrange the sentence, who was not able to create a sentence. Even I was not able to imagine the sentences. But now I am able to create the sentences. I am able to imagine the sentences. This all could be possible only because of sir. And you know, I want to share a thing with all of you. That you know, when I had taken admission in this coaching first time, so after completed 3 months, sir called me on the stage and said to me that give the speech. But you know, the day before Sunday, sir explained me, Shreya and Khushi and Sakshi that you all have to give the speech tomorrow, and don't scare, I'm with you. But I don't know, on that day there was a fear, and I'm not saying that I didn't give a speech on that day. Actually, we all given. Actually, we all had given speech on that day, but because there was a fear on that day. So I'm not saying that sometimes we can't. Sometimes whatever we can't think to do, so fear can make us to do that all thing. But mostly we should do our work ourselves with honesty, with consistently, and we should honest with sir. And I think whatever I am speaking in this time, so this all could be possible, I think, because of sir and because of, I think, I am honest. So thank you so much, sir, to always guides me, always tells me that what should you do and what shouldn't you do. And last thing I would like to say that success and excuses does not comes together. Success and excuses does not comes together. If you want success, forget about excuses, and if you want excuses, forget about excuses. So now I would like to end my speech, and we will meet on next Sunday. Thank you very much that you all listen me very carefully, and thank you so much that you always support me, and we will meet on next Sunday. Thank you. Tata, bye bye.